Galaxy Ring on non-Galaxy phones. Does it work? Samsung Galaxy Ring is a smart ring that offers several innovative features, including energy score and wellness tips powered by Galaxy AI. But do you really need a Galaxy phone to make it work? Let's find out. Can I use Galaxy Ring's AI features with a non-Galaxy phone? Galaxy AI was believed to work only on the Galaxy phone earlier. It's now been found to be available on non-Galaxy phones. How does Galaxy Ring sync with other non-Galaxy phones? The Galaxy Ring can be easily paired with other non-Galaxy phones. That includes the Motorola Razr Plus and OnePlus 12. Everything works brilliantly out of the box, although just a little more slowly than when it's paired with a Galaxy phone. What's the battery life of Galaxy Ring with non-Galaxy phones? The Galaxy Ring offers an impressive battery life that can last up to 9 days on a single charge. Moreover, the ring comes along with portable charging case that aims to add up to 1.5 times extra battery life. How to use Samsung Galaxy Ring on non-Galaxy phones. Here's a step-by-step guide through which you would be able to use the Samsung Galaxy Ring on a non-Galaxy phone. First, download Samsung Galaxy Ring app from the Google Play Store. Then open the app and tap the pair option, and then select the Galaxy Ring from the list. Next, sign into Samsung's account or create a new one. Follow prompts to set up a profile, fitness goals, and preferences. Wait for the ring to sync with phone via Bluetooth. Access energy score, wellness tips, fitness tracking, and notifications.